topic is adulteration. Adulteration is very common problem in our society, and that there are two type of adulteration. We mix the tea leaf in our tea, prepare our tea, and the second kind of adulteration, the milkman mixed water in the milk, and the beefman the make oxidon on inject on the beef, and the beef are see with look at good and fresh, and the beef are not or chicken or goat, but these are died animal, like that the dog and animal who died, and they used to buy in the market. And adulteration is when we do stop adulteration, and our country went to improving side. When we not stop adulteration, our country went to not good side, but our country are not do at any kind of technology. So adulteration is very big problem in the Islam. That Allah says that when you give when you do piety, not adulteration. Adulteration is very bad thing for human being, and it is the bad thing. And thank you for, well, you are good.